Lesson 92. English conversation between a girl and a parrot.
Hello there, little parrot. You're such a colorful bird.
Hello. I'm a pretty bird.
Yes, you are. I've always been fascinated by parrots. Can you talk?
Yes, I can talk. What's your name?
I'm Sarah. What's your name?
My name is Amy.
That's a lovely name. Do you live here at the pet store?
No, I live with my owner, Lisa. She takes good care of me.
That's nice. I bet you and Lisa have lots of fun together. What's your favorite thing to do?
I like to talk to people, sing songs, and eat delicious fruits.
It sounds like you have a great life. You're such a friendly bird. Do you have any favorite phrases you like to say?
Yes, I say, pretty bird, and I love you, to Lisa.
Ah, that's sweet. You're a very affectionate parrot. I wish I could take you home with me.
Thank you, Sarah. You're a nice friend.
You're welcome, Amy. It was lovely chatting with you. I hope you have a wonderful day.
You too, Sarah. Goodbye.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and support us.